Hello everyone, my name is DWI Nanda Agustia, Information Systems Study Program. In this video I will discuss the e-government framework. An e-government framework is a structure or framework that provides guidance on how to plan, develop and implement electronic government (e-government) initiatives. It includes principles, models and guidelines that assist governments in the transformation of their services into more efficient, open and user-friendly digital forms. An e-government framework usually includes several main components. 1. Vision and goals. Establish a clear vision of how the government wants to use technology to improve services and interactions with citizens. Specific and measurable goals must be stated to achieve the vision. 2. Needs analysis. Conduct a comprehensive assessment of community needs, government processes, and infrastructure required to support effective implementation of e-government services. 3. Action plan. Formulate a detailed action plan with clear stages and deadlines. This plan includes concrete steps to adopt technology, develop infrastructure, and design and launch digital services. 2. Technology and infrastructure. Technology and infrastructure are the backbone of e-government because they support the information systems and services provided to citizens, companies, and other entities. Some important aspects related to technology and infrastructure in the e-government context include 1. ICT infrastructure. This involves communications networks, the internet, cloud computing, data centers, and computing infrastructure that supports e-government services. 2. Information security. Protection of personal, sensitive and critical data is an important aspect. This involves network security, data encryption, access management, and strong security policies and procedures. 3. Database systems and integration. Efficient data management and good system integration are critical to ensuring that information can be accessed and used effectively across departments or agencies in government. 3. Electronic public services, e-services. Electronic public services or e-services are services provided by the government electronically via online or digital platforms to citizens, companies or other entities. The main goal is to provide easier, faster, more efficient and affordable access to government services. Here are some examples and important characteristics of e-services. 1. Online registration and applications, for example, resident registration, business permits, building permit applications, and others that previously had to be done manually, can now be accessed and managed online. 2. Electronic payments and transactions. This involves paying taxes, paying bills for public services such as water, electricity, purchasing transport tickets, and other transactions that can be carried out through electronic platforms. 3. Online health services. Users can book appointments with doctors, access their medical history, order medicines, or get medical consultations through the online platform. 4. Policies and regulations. Policies and regulations in the context of e-government refer to the legal framework and rules that determine how the government uses information and communication technology, ICT, in carrying out public administration. 5. Society participation. Public participation is a key element in e-government which emphasizes citizen involvement in the decision-making process, policy formulation, and providing feedback regarding services provided by the government. 6. Change management and organizational culture. Public participation is a key element in e-government which emphasizes citizen involvement in the decision-making process, policy formulation, and providing feedback regarding services provided by the government. Examples of using an e-government framework in practice. 1. Online service. Online services within the realm of e-government encompass a wide range of offerings provided by government agencies through digital platforms. Here are some examples. 1. Tax filing and payment. Citizens can file their taxes online, submit necessary documentation, and make payments through secure government portals. 2. Permit and license applications. Application processes for various permits, licenses, or certificates, like driver's licenses, business permits, construction permits, can be completed online, reducing paperwork and streamlining the application process. 3. Voting and civic engagement. Some countries offer online voter registration, absentee ballot requests, and even online voting in certain regions, increasing accessibility and convenience for citizens to participate in the electoral process. 2. Integrated information. Systems in the context of e-government involve the seamless connection and sharing of data and information across various government departments or agencies. This integration facilitates efficient operations, decision-making, and service delivery. Here are examples of how integrated information systems are utilized. 1. Interdepartmental data sharing. Different government departments, such as finance, healthcare, education, and law enforcement, can share relevant data securely. For instance, healthcare data can be accessed by social services to determine eligibility for certain benefits. 2. Citizen database. A centralized database containing citizen information can be accessed by various government agencies for verification, reducing the need for citizens to repeatedly provide the same information for different services. 3. Case management systems. Integrated systems can facilitate case management across departments. For example, a social services case might involve input from healthcare, education, and housing agencies, all accessible within a unified system. 4. Cross-agency reporting. Governments can generate comprehensive reports that combine data from multiple agencies to analyze trends, assess policy effectiveness, or allocate resources more efficiently. 5. Emergency response coordination. During emergencies or natural disasters, integrated information systems enable various agencies like police, fire departments, healthcare providers, and local governments to coordinate efforts and share critical information in real time. 3. Public participation. An e-government involves engaging citizens in decision-making processes, policy formulation, and service improvement through digital platforms. Here are examples of how e-government facilitates public participation. 1. Online feedback and surveys. Governments create online platforms where citizens can provide feedback on public services, policies, or proposed initiatives through surveys or feedback forms. 2. E-consultations. Governments conduct consultations on proposed policies or projects via digital platforms, allowing citizens to express their opinions, concerns, and suggestions. This could be on topics like urban planning, environmental regulations, or healthcare reforms. 3. Crowdsourcing and idea generation. Engaging citizens in generating ideas or solutions for community issues or innovation challenges through online platforms, encouraging collaborative problem solving. 4. Social media engagement. Government agencies utilize social media platforms to interact with citizens, share information, gather input, and address concerns in real time. 5. Online forums and discussion boards. Platforms where citizens can participate in discussions on specific topics, facilitating dialogue and exchange of ideas among community members. So that was a brief explanation of the e-government framework. Good luck meeting the next video.